Hey guys, Shane from Woodgrove Chrysler. I sold this 4xe with the Factory Warn Winch, and I just wanted to do a quick little video on how it operates. So, on top of this unit here, we have these little tabs. We pretty much turn them sideways and we pop them out from here and here. They're gonna pop out, don't lose them. Once we take that off here and here, we're gonna just kind of pull straight backwards. We have two docking points here. You're gonna see them on the back, there and there, like a friction fit kind of thing. So it's gonna have a little retention, give her a nice little pull. She should pop off for you. So keep these somewhere nice. I got both mine. Oh, see, it's easy. Both mine right here. And at this point in time, guys, you're gonna get a factory little controller here. So forward, backwards. You're gonna pop off this thing here. Your controls are underneath. If you look at the bottom there, you're not gonna be able to kind of plug it in wrong. So it's only gonna go in one way. So you have nothing to worry about in that sense. So once that goes on, you're good there. If you wanna come over here a little bit closer, we'll see that it says free spool and engage. So essentially what happens is if we wanna go in and we wanna free spool it, we turn that there and we can kind of pop it off and we can walk the winch out. So if you're wanting to go over to that tree, you know, 30 feet away and drag this over without just sitting there, just free spool it. When you're spooling it back in, so however far out we do go, when you're spooling it back in, what you want to do is you want to keep a little tension on that, just so it spools appropriately. And you can always kind of look in through the crack here or kind of through here and just see that that rope's wrapping up and not getting tangled or pinched, and just kind of keep it nice. So once we get close, guys, and you're always going to watch your fingers throughout the process. Got some pinch points and stuff like that. Once we're pretty close, we're just going to take this guy here. We're going to angle it. We're going to put our fingers somewhere so that they're not going to get pinched, and just tap it and just tap it, and we're good. We unplug here. Our controller goes somewhere safe as well. We put that back on. We can leave that engaged. We take this here, line it up on that side, line it up on this side, push it straight back. Take these guys here. You're gonna kind of see a little bit of a design in there. It's gonna make sense which way they go. So you pop it in, and then grab some quarter or keychain or something. I just so happen to have a keychain from Woodgrove Chrysler, and it fits ever so nicely. So just make sure that they're turned 90 degrees and that it's not popping on you, and everything should be secure, good to go, back in place and ready to rock for the next time you need it. Thanks everyone.